Hello, this is RV Vagabond Jerry, and today I'm going to take a tour of Hoover Dam, video some of it for you, and then I'm going to drive around and get some shots of the Colorado River and Lake Mead. So why don't you come along with me?
Absolutely a marvel. It is a testimony of what, when you corner an American, what they can construct under duress. And think about it, the Americans had just come under the Great Depression. People were hurting and they needed to influx money into the economy. You think I asked you where you're from? Just because I want to know? Well, sure. But the Hoover Dam is considered the All-American Dam. So when we go in, we're going to talk about that Art Deco. And when we go up that old Otis elevator, yes, we're going to ride in that old Otis elevator, we're going to stop inside the dam, top left vent. You see it? I know, I'm bad.
This is way down at the bottom
right there.
of the dam.
You're right at the tip of the dam, but you're down right there, inside one of the...
Here's a good diagram showing the flow of the water from the lake down into the lower river. This is at one point where they had a flood and the water got so high it actually flowed over the dam.
Welcome to Nevada's side of Hoover Dam Power Plant. You have 8 generators on this side. You have another room just like this over on the Arizona side with another 9 generators. For a total of 17 generators here at Hoover Dam. The lights that you see on top of each generator, if the light is lit, that just means the generator is in operation. Each one of these generators that you see is actually 70 feet tall. Power. Simply put, that's enough power for 65,000 homes. If all 17 generators run at the same time, the whole plant is 2,080 megawatts.
This is a very exclusive view from about halfway down.
So the dam, believe it or not,
This is the stairs they use in case the elevator goes out, which the tour guide said he has used. And this is the other side looking up the stairway.
Take one from right here.
and under budget. Yeah, Frank Crow, Superintendent of Engineers.
This is from the top of the dam on the downside rivers side of it. The tour took about an hour and it was all very interesting, but it wasn't really much video worthy. So I only showed you a few things where the water comes out here to go downstream. Still flowing at all. And this bridge is part of Interstate 11, which is one of the shortest interstate highways in the whole country. Here's a good view of the wall of the dam. And this is the visitor center. And this is on the lake side of the dam. Big tower there, and you can see the lake there. You can drive right across the dam if you don't want to take the interstate. And here's a good view of the lake, Lake Mead. And this is very dramatic where you see the white, the line there. That's where the water used to be. That is about the highest point, at least that it's showing on the side there, that it once was at. The tour guide said this area has been in a drought for 25 years now. And the water level is at the lowest it's ever been, is what I heard. In fact, the highest the water level has been against the dam was about 7 feet from the top right there. This red line right here is how close you can come to it in a boat. This is the old exhibit building. Let's see what's in here. Really nice 3D relief map. Very long one. That's all upstream Lake Mead. And there is the Hoover Dam. And then this is downstream Davis Dam. And the Lake Havasu Dam. Let's see how far it goes. It goes to Yuma, right there, and then on into Mexico. This is their new exhibit building. I'll show you a couple things in the museum here. They also have a 10-minute video you watch about the building of the dam. And this video shows how the dam was started and through the process in this time-lapse photography. That's pretty neat. And then when it gets to the top, you see how it looks with the concrete laid. And this is how the canyon walls looked while they were building it. Look at all the pieces in the concrete here. And here's a timeline from 1869 to 1947. Here's some of the specifications. Wonder how long this guy's been working here. Here's a shot from a little ways up the road from it. These huge towers. This is an overlook point just before you get to the security checkpoint for any vehicles going over the dam. They stop and check to make sure you don't have anything that they would consider hazardous. I think they're mainly worried about bombs. And I heard if you come over in an RV to cross the dam with it, they will stop and go inside and check all your cabinets and everything, looking for anything that they think would be dangerous. I wonder what's in that tunnel.
Yeah, I think we got a lot there.
So this is on the left side, and over to the right is the lake and a marina. And I think at the real higher, much higher lake levels like it used to be, that island, you just barely see the tips, if any at all. And of course the water used to be way up here. In fact, you can see right there where the water line used to be. It's amazing. There's some people who came out of that tunnel. There's hiking trails all around here. You can see some of them, like right there, you can see hiking trails. So if you're really energetic, you can do that. They've got 5 of these plaques like this. This one gives identification of what some of the mountaintops are.
Yeah.
And this Horsepower Cove is a marina down here. There's a couple more marinas further upstream. I tried to go to them when I was here a few years ago, and they were closed. I heard this is the only one that is still in operation. And they do have a boat tour you can take, that goes up pretty close to the dam. I checked it online and they are just not open for their spring summer season yet. That is one thing I wanted to do when I was here, but I'm gonna miss that. Hey, the tour I did cost $30. There's also a $10 parking fee in their parking garage. It's a pretty high clearance garage, but for a large RV, I don't think you're going to be able to do it. So don't bring your RV to come out here, and if you're going to see the tours. You can drive across the bridge, but don't count on stopping unless you just got a small RV. Well, this has been an interesting day for me. Next time you're in Las Vegas, you might want to come out here. They have companies that give tours from Las Vegas where they pick you up from your hotel and tour you around. So that's something you can do if you don't have your own vehicle. Good day, folks.